Okay, I finally decided to share this with everyone else. So this is one of the best things that I discovered for SEO content writing. As you can see, this is the gift from Google, and this one really changed the content creation game for me. If you are paying for any tools, I think you can cancel that subscription because I am sure this can generate, it can do research first, then it can optimize your article for SEO, then it can also make sure that it's factually correct, and the output is really good. You will not feel like this content is generated using AI. So that's being said, let's see how we can use this for our content generation. And the best thing is this one is free. All you have to do is go to this URL aistudio.google.com and you can sign up for a free account if you already don't have the account. And once you have the account, you will see like a dashboard like this. You need to come here, stream real time. This is where all the magic happens, because in here only we can enable the code execution option and the grounding option simultaneously. So that's the important feature that we are looking for. And we need to use this Gemini 2.0 Flash, and as of now we only have this model. Maybe it will change in the future, so you change the best model accordingly. And do not use the audio for this, use text, because we are writing content. And that's the basic setup. Now you are ready for awesome articles. Yes, that's as simple as that. And the best part is it's free, and you can use the system instructions to give your prompt. And I have already prepared a prompt here, which you can get from the link in the description. So here, yeah, I will share this prompt with you. You can definitely modify it according to your writing preference and style. And for me, I like to have some emojis here and there, so I have included that in the prompt. Now you can use this audio recording button to ask the AI to just write content, right? So you don't even have to type it. So that's another great feature. And it's taking the audio directly, it's not transcribing it, so it can understand your wording more clearly, and provide the answers instantly. So all I am going to do right now is just give me the article that I want. For example, let's ask AI to write about the new AI thinking model that they released. If you are familiar with that, let me just show you what that means. If you go to create a prompt, and let's go to this was released recently, and this is a thinking model. So it's like the O1 model, and Google is competing with that. So that's the context if you want to understand what's happening. And I'm just giving the actual prompt here, and let me just that's the prompt, and we are all set up in order to actually start creating the article. Let me just click on start recording. I just want to create an article based on Google's new thinking model. See the magic happening in front of us. It's writing the article. You can see the sources. It took all the correct sources, official documentations, and it did the research, right? That's the amazing part where it blew my mind. And you can see that it searched for different keywords, what the thinking understood, what the context is about, and then it created some different titles for me. That's also included in the prompt, so that I can choose which title that I want. Then it formatted this article really nicely, and the wording is also really great. And mind you, this is like a factual article, because it took all these from the sources. As you can see, I have seen it going to like 25 or 30 sources to just generate this article. So yeah, I hope you understood how powerful this is. This is really amazing. And I have even streamlined it to actually send this article like this. I have like a webhook setup, and you can just copy the article and just send it to your WordPress or anything. That also will speed up your article creation process. And once I have the content, I can just copy this article like this. This must be in rich text format, and I can just copy it like this. And I have like a HTML to markdown converter that I created. It can be accessed from the Google's Chrome store. You just need to paste it here, and you can select from convert to which one, right? So if I want to convert it to markdown, I can just press that button and it will be converted to markdown and will be copied to my clipboard. So you can also do the conversion and everything in the same window as well. So you can now just paste it into your WordPress website or wherever you want. So that's also a one neat trick that I use in my content workflow. Thought of sharing it. If you think this is great, and if you want me to share more videos like this, please do press the like button so that I'll know that you guys like content like this, and share it with your groups who are interested in AI or content writing. Let them also save money for content writing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.